what you tell it. I know. You asked for the overall review, what the video was about, and I told you. That's all. Emotions were 5 parts. Can you tell about emotional parts? Of course, I can tell you about emotional parts. I will do my best. So the speaker gave us the examples of the secrets, and they are perfectly selected and put after each other. Funny and sad, ridiculous, and with great sense on real postcards, and this handmade. Yes, this type of stuff was very cute, and I'm afraid to be rude with Barista. Also, you shouldn't be rude. The second thing that I realized watching it is that we all need to share a secret with someone, and the blog, his blog just gives people such an opportunity to tell someone your secret. I want to add something to that. It's easy to share a secret to someone you don't know, to the stranger. Like you send it to the universe waiting nothing in return. Just to speak it out from your soul, and it gets easier and easier. Have you ever tried that? Me? Well, actually not. But it seems to me the great idea. Some secrets can be very hard if you want to keep it. You need to sense it with the world. And Post Secret gives this away. Frank was visited by someone very William when he created project.
Hello, I'm Monica, and I always make a conclusion. To conclude, I would like to say that such a project is a great opportunity to help people. They share their secrets which has bothered their life, and it's make them to feel free. It cures their souls. Incredible project makes millions of people feel happy through simple idea created by Frank Warren. And I have idea in my mind. I think that we should write a postcard and send it to him, and maybe he post it in his blog. I think we need to do that together. Okay, take this one pencil